Her name is Zoe.
That one is Barley. That one is Hops.
My dog Maggie is a German Shepherd, Australian Shepherd mix. My dog Carly is a Chihuahua and a Wiener dog mix. My dog Nellie is a Jack Russell, and my dog Piper is a Dalmatian.
Before we moved, I was just kind of, chilling around in my house, and then my mom and dad come over, they're like, we got a dog!
My neighbor had puppies, and we kept begging my mom to get a puppy. And finally, she let us. So I didn't know because I was in kindergarten at the time. But she walked us over across the street to my neighbor's house, and she was like, "Pick one out." And then we got my dog.
Bought all our dogs from either family or from shelters. We got Piper from a dog shelter. We got Maggie from a person's house. We got Boo Bear from family, or we got Carly from our family, and Nellie we got from our family also.
Hey, my mom was having a bad day at work, so she just decided to go and get a dog. My dad was not the happiest when he came home.
My dad, if we have steak, he'll get a cheaper cut of steak and cook it for her and cut it up because that's her little treat for being good.
Dog's favorite treats, we get delivered in a bark box, and it's different every 2 weeks. We get something, and right now I'm giving them Ruler of the Roost dog treats.
The white one, if she's not terrified of the camera, you can tell her to climb onto something and she'll climb onto it and she'll stay there until you say free. That's cool.
She can shake and sit and go, jump up, which we call up, and she can lay down.
Most of my dogs can't do any tricks, but Piper can sit and she can shake her hand when she's told to shake.
Funniest moment with my dog, probably when she scoots her butt on the carpet. She started doing it a year ago, and she just scoots her butt on the carpet. It's pretty funny.
I opened the door for some guests or something, and they both sprinted out the door. And so one of them went that way, and one of them went that way. And my mom was also really sick, so she was sleeping. So I went and got Hops, which went that way. And then it took me 30 minutes to find Barley, who was that way. And then my mom was like, "Hey, what are you doing out here?" Because she pulled up in her car. I was like, "I was getting Barley." She's like, "Why didn't you wake me up?" I was like, "I don't know."
I actually kicked this dog down my steps when she was a puppy because she got in my way and I didn't see her at my feet, and I kicked her all the way down my steps.